Okay, so we had some flashes of lightning back here. Where?
No, this. You guys just stand back to back like they do in the movies.
Ooh,
It's like
that.
like in the movies they have guns, but in this you have cameras.
7:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
I'm gonna skip.
Around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
I'm not skipping. I am not skipping!
Port around 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations in the warning include Reynolds, Bingham, Smithson, Indiana Beach, Buffalo, Ripley,
Backing up,
Lakeside,
backing up,
Sycamore, and
backing up.
Headley. This is a very dangerous line
Whoa.
of storms with a history of producing wind damage across northeast
Join us in
Illinois.
what?
Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
Dude.
Damaging wind and cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning kills. Remember, if you see thunder, you are close enough
Oh crap!
to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
You're a dummy,
or
fat
7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark.
No? What?
This is an weather radio station WXJ57 in South Bend.
Dude, it's darker back here.
Visit our website viaweather.gov/WX.
This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 264, effective until midnight Eastern Daylight Time Saturday, or 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana: Elkhart, Kosciuszko, LaPorte, Marshall, St. Joseph, and Stark. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the
Awesome.
of severe weather, including large hail and damaging wind, and close to the water.
You little boy.
While severe weather
You little bum!
remain alert to rapidly changing
What?
weather conditions and listen for later statements.
Hey,
What's going
what
on back
direction
there?
would you find the
Weather
light?
radio,
This way?
radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for White, Western Cass, Pulaski, Southwestern Marshall, Western Fulton, and Southern Stark counties until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:02 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 8:02 p.m.
Nice.
Eastern Daylight Time, a line of severe thunderstorms was located along a line extending